When you're in a Skype call, you can use a whiteboard to collaborate on something. So if you look at the bottom of the page, there's the three blue dots. If you click on the third one with the arrow coming out of it, you can click on more, and that will allow you to select the whiteboard option. On the right hand side, you'll see there's various options. So you can use a pen if you want to, you can use a highlighter, you can erase, you can put ticks on if other people are doing something and you want to mark it. You can add a picture that will allow you to perhaps annotate a diagram or have a picture of some text that you want to highlight and work through. And when you're finished, you can save as or send to the OneNote so you've got a copy of the whiteboard. When you want to stop sharing the whiteboard, you can do that by clicking on Hide Stage. But if you want to get the whiteboard back, you can click on Manage Content and you can see that the whiteboard is still there. If you want to delete the whiteboard from the Skype conversation, you can go on to Manage Content and you can click on the Delete button.